changing your verification method on Capital One can help enhance your account security and ensure you receive alerts in a way that suits you best. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select Security Settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Choose Verification Method. Find a section that lists your current verification methods. You should see options such as email, phone number, or authenticator app. Select the method you wish to change or add. Step 5. Follow the prompts to update. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your chosen verification method. This may involve entering a new phone number or email address and confirming the change through a verification code sent to your current method. After completing these steps, your verification method will be updated. Always ensure your contact information is current to maintain account security.